Hi guys, so this video is about Burp and I will make this video because when I started with Burp there were some stuff I didn't understand and nobody did explain it, so I will do just that. So Burp is getting its requests from browser. It needs a browser to work, and these requests, when you go for example to Proxy, then here in the Proxy tab you have history, and then here will come the requests. Also you have the target tab, but we will stay for this video only on the Proxy tab and the repeater. So when you go here and go proxy.com, now here will come the requests. This is all the browser is doing to open the proxy.org site, and here are all the requests. So now when you want to work with the requests, you can go here, right click and send to repeater, and then Burp will send this to repeater, and now you have these requests here. For example, the site request is here. So this is the site, Portswigger. I can do it a little bit bigger. So here, and that's the site you see here, okay? So this is all the copies, this is all. We also have a dashboard, but we will stay on Proxy and repeater for this. Also for the beginning with Proxy tab is good to work, because you have the host here, the method, the URL, the params, the status code, 200, 400, what I just explained. Then you have the length, then you have the meme type, and you have the IP here and the timestamp and everything. So this is pretty good for the beginning to work with. What this is the communication with the server. You have the target here, is a little bit more in scope, the targets. So but it's okay when you only working on one website. For now you can work with Proxy tab. If you get more pads later and everything, it's better to work with target, but for now it's Proxy is okay. So we sent it a request to the repeater, and when we go get, it says bad requests. This is because maybe it needs some validation or something. It isn't important for now. So you get this here from the site is 200. That means 200 is the OK number. The connection between you and the website is okay. You're getting for and back the connection, and it's established, everything is okay. 400 is bad request, and you have 500, for example, is when the server gets a bad request. Then you have 301 is moved permanently, and so on. This is normal for beginning. You don't understand it, but with the time when you work with it, you will understand it. It's just for now 200 is okay, and if you don't get 200, then something bad happened and you didn't get the request right. But sometimes error messages are also very good, so don't dismiss it. It's only for now to establish a connection. You have to get a 200 okay. So this is 200 okay, so everything went well. The connection did well, so it went from me to the server and back to me. So 2 and 4 the connection is good, 200 okay, and we see the site. Also, if you want to work with Burp you will have to understand what this headers does. There are also additional background headers which we don't know for now, but there are ways to get to some headers. For example, if you have this host header, you have some headers which correlate with this source. So, for example, origin or referrer header. But this will be for another video. So we talked about the proxy. The proxy is here, which gives us the information about the website. So then if we want to manipulate a specific request from the proxy tab, so you go proxy, HTTP history, right click, send to repeater. Because the repeater is our tool to manipulate the requests from the web, from us to the website and back. So we make here the requests, and here is the answer from the website. So we go to Portswigger. This is www.portswigger.net, and then on portswigger.net we want to go to a path, and maybe it could be robots.txt. Okay, robot.txt. Here you see, this is robot.txt. So this could be also here. The server will not take it, but I want to explain it. So this is the same as this. So if you go in a browser and do this, yeah, you get in Burp suite it's this, yeah. And then here's the get request, because we do at the get request you have post requests, put requests, patch requests, delete options, but for now get requests, okay? So we want something from the website, we ask something from the website, and we get it. That's a get request. A post request is something when you change something on the website and you get the response. But get request is only you're asking something and you get something. So this host plus this get request HTTP2 is the same as you go in the browser and do this. Yeah? So we said this is the host header. We have here the cookie header, which mostly is used for validation, but sometimes if you have a JWT token, it can also be used for options. So this is the language header. This I don't need to explain. This is a security header. Not so important for now, because it would be too complicated for now. So this is the user agent, which is telling the server from where you are doing your requests. It's from Mozilla, Safari, it's from Google Chrome, but anyways. This is accept. Here are some security also headers for now, not so important. We go here to the request attribute, and here it says which protocol is used, HTTP1 or HTTP2. Mostly you use this only for request smuggling, but mostly it's for HTTP2. Then here are the body and the parameters. Body is nothing because we have nothing here. You can only put something in the body when it's a post request. So a get request has nothing in the body. That's something I wasn't getting at the beginning. That's why I'm saying this now. For some guys it's okay, nothing new, but maybe it's new for someone. So when you do a get request, you put never something here in the body. You only put the payload addition to the path. When you do a post request, then you put something in the body, and then you get it here in the body. Okay, so for example, when it's JSON, or I don't know, body in the post request. But we had get request, and you see if you do get request, it erases here because there cannot be something in the body of the get requests. Here is the cookies. You see it here. These are the cookies. And also Burp Suite has a decoder, so sometimes when the cookie is has a freaky value and you go like this, sometimes it decodes it automatically here, and that's pretty neat. So here are the headers. Also you can manipulate here the headers, you don't have to go here, you can go here to the headers, and then you can go like here and manipulate here the headers. Then you get the response headers here, and basically this is the same for the headers here, but only for the response. So basically guys, that's about it. Now you can go on PortSwigger and do your first labs, and you will understand how to open everything. So if somebody is talking about doing the proxy for the browser, you don't need it. You just go to proxy here, intercept. Make sure intercept is off for now, yeah? Because intercept is when you go on a website, before you click here if you want product, then you go intercept on, click product, and you will get here the request, yeah? But this is the same, you don't need it for now, because this is the same as when you open the website in proxy history. Here are all the requests, yeah? Sometimes it's nicer to work with target, but with proxy it's everything you need. And then what you need, you send with right click to repeater, and then you can work here with repeater. So guys, I hope this was a bit helpful, and I hope you can start working with Burp Suite, and I will do some more videos for you. Bye.